Hello and welcome to this video. In this video I will show you my project active wing on my car. As you can see, it's temporary mounted right now. The thought is to mount it better. But and here you also see the car. You may have seen this in other videos. The wing is from a Jaguar F-Type. And it's mounted underneath, as you can see, and it's driven by a little DC motor. So yes, here you can see the wing in the upper position, and it's like 45 degrees. My thought is to sink the module down a bit, of course, but yeah, and the thought is also to make an own carbon fiber blade, but yes, that will come in the future. The car is an old Nissan from 92, and you can see here it has an S15 front. The car has a 2JZ built engine with a single turbo. And if you're interested, I can make a separate video just on the car when I go through all the modifications. If you'd like that, please tell me in the comments. Now I will show you how the wing operates, and now it's starting up, and when it starts up, the wing goes automatically down. And you can see it's searching for GPS signals. It's not okay right now. It knows the wing is down. Vinge nere means down. Here you can see the GPS module. Here's an accelerometer. And this is the power supply. Some LEDs to show the up and down position. Here it's got the GPS signal okay, connected to 5 satellites. Speed is 0 kilometers an hour. The wing is down. Here is the relay board with a microcontroller on it. It's an ESP 32. You can also see the accelerometer. This is the button to manually force it up. Now it's on an upper position. You can see this. It's uppe, means up. And press it again to force it down. Now the wing is set for speed control, and it goes up in 75 kilometers an hour and down in 65 kilometers an hour. And I'm thinking about using G-force control to take it up and down in the corners. But this needs some more programming, and this is not done yet, so in the future. Relay down on, and it's down. Relay up. Yeah. So it's working. It's not the nicest, but this is for developing and testing. And there's you can see the wing is up and down. Here you can see the Arduino program. It's in the software Arduino IDE. I think all the program is over 200 rows. And here is some permanent block box that I have sketched out, and also some of the cards, of course, and here is what it would look like, and next to it is some kind of lid for it, but the 3D print program does not handle the export files from the SketchUp so good, so I have to use another program. Here you can see some test prints I have done, and some changes. Of course, this is not the finished product, but yes, this on the right side is the first, and this is the second one. I have made some adjustments, so it was a bit flimsy. Here you can see the test flanges, and this is the third one. It's mounted on a spare rear hatch I have, and you can see it needs some changes, but it fits in the original hole for the wiper, the rear wiper. But it's a lot of testing and fitting to make this good. Here is the button I'm intended to use, and even this is from a Jaguar F-Type. If you know which connector this is, if you can buy them loose, please let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.